Hi, welcome to Phin. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to create continuous phishing and training campaigns by answering just 7 questions. And so in doing so, I'm going to be showing you how to do this with our continuous campaign creator. It's very easy to use, very easy to set up, and it will literally run until you tell it to stop. So first thing you're going to want to do is on your customer's homepage, select at the bottom there, training and phishing campaigns, and then select the continuous campaign creator. And so you go ahead and answer the 7 questions that will be in order here. Like I said, this will generate both phishing and training campaigns, so we can kind of just quickly go through these. And you'll see that what this is doing is it is essentially making this as custom as possible for different companies in order to include certain phishing templates and different training videos for this company, things like HIPAA training, GDPR, different phishing templates, things like that. And so this is kind of the review page that reviews the tags and the topics that are going to be sourced for these campaigns. And this is how you can keep it continuous. It will cycle through these different tags and topics continuously, like I said, until you tell it to stop. So you can adjust the specific cadence for when training modules are sent to your users with this next page in the scheduling feature here. And you can edit those blue words in the cadence. And to edit the schedule or change any of the details, go ahead and go to the left-hand nav menu, and then you can go to either training or phishing, depending on the campaign you want to edit. For this example, I'll go to training and go to campaigns, and I can see that the campaign I just created right there, I can edit it, and I can change either the name or the description for the campaign. I can change the audience. Right now it's a full company audience, but I can change that. And then also any of the topics that were selected. If you change your mind, you're like, actually, we don't want HIPAA included, you can remove that, add something else. You can also change the schedule again if you wanted to here. And then also, you can see the schedule there, when it's going to fire batches on, future send dates based on your cadence that you set. So make sure to pay attention to that, as well as the topics and the order of the topics that you can change. You can drag and drop to change the order, and go ahead and update when you'd like to finalize the changes to your continuous training campaign.